Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary, afraid to jump, held down by the fear of flying. So we hide inside and we lock it up. We lose ourselves, think we're not enough. There's some kryptonite and sometimes we fall, but we get back up and put up a Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary, afraid to jump.
Before take 7.
Hey guys, you're all excited to see my new movie, CoComelon the Movie.
You stink!
We want to see Gabby's Dollhouse the movie. CoComelon the movie sucks.
Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary. Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary, afraid.
Hey everyone, I'm Baxter, and I'm going to tell you guys about how to not think about using your phones in class. If you don't know it, I can help you. Let's go, should we? Using phones in class is a serious crime too, so here is why you shouldn't use your phone in class. If you use your phones in class, you will go to the principal's office, so don't use your phone in class. Anyways, that's the end of the rule. Anyways, take care, goodbye.
Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary.
Cut! What's that yellow and orange Oatsole doing in the studio?
Hello everyone.
Hi?
Do you all want to see my ASMR video?
Yeah, that's good. I want to see it.
Okay then, I'll put on the video. That's cute, isn't it?
So nice.
That's good. After I leave, you'll proceed to take 6.
Correct. Now does anyone need to do something?
Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary.
Hey guys, I'm going to tell you about spring. Yeah, so, flowers grow in the spring, and with that, I'm going to collect flowers for summer. I can't wait. Anyways, see you soon.
Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary, afraid to jump, held.
Wait. Cut. Okay. What sort of music is playing at the background? It's playing the Sony Xperia Kit Kat song. Well, the song is not supposed to be here. Let's remove it and then we'll do take 12.
Sometimes we're stuck, told to be ordinary. to jump.